Assalamu alaikum, good morning. How are you all? This is your English session of grade 2. Today we are going to read the reader ORT series, book 2, Lost in the Jungle. What you see in this title? You see the children are in the jungle and they are in the boat with the explorers. And what was in the water? Alligator. So the next day was mom's birthday. Chip had a box of chocolate of her. Kipper had made her a monkey at school. Biff didn't know what to get it. So next day, whose birthday is there? Mom birthday, and Chip had a box of chocolate for her, and Kipper made this monkey for her at school. But Biff didn't know what to get. Okay. Biff asked Anina's mom. Anina is the name of her friend, and she asked Anina's mom to help her. Now, so she said, so she's going to buy a plant for her. They went into a big greenhouse. Greenhouse means where all of where they keep a lot of plants. Okay, the greenhouse was hot and it was full of plants. It's hot and is full of plants. What a lot of plants, said Biff. What Biff said, what a lot of plants. It's like a jungle in here. What she said, that it look like a jungle. I don't know which one to buy. Then she said that she don't know which one she has to buy. In the end she found one that she liked. I will get this one for mom, she said. Okay. The next day was mom's birthday and the children gave her their presents. Presents means gift. Mom liked them all. Thank you, she said. What a lovely plant, said lovely plant, Biff. Their mother said thanks to the children, and she said that uh, she, uh, she gifted her a lovely plant. Dad had a present for mom. It was a plant. Dad also had a present for her, and what was it? Was a plant. I don't know. Biff had a plant as well, said Dad. Dad said that he don't know that Biff had a plant too. I don't mind a bit, said mom. What mom said, that she don't mind it. Okay. Anina came to play with Biff and Chip. Who came to play with Biff and Chip? Anina. This is from my mom, she said. Wilma's mom came around with a plant too. She gave her a pot of flower, or she gave her a plant, and she said it is from my mom's side. So suddenly what will happen? Wilma's mom came and she also bring a plant as a gift too. And she said that mom said thank you, I love plants, and it's quite like a jungle here. What she said thank you, and she said that it looked like a jungle. The children went to play in Biff's room. Anina looked at the little house. Can we have a magic adventure? She said. We can if the key glows, said Kipper. Just then the key did began to glow. Okay, the children went to play in Biff's room, and Anina looked at the little house. And then she said that can we have a magic adventure? So Kipper said that we can if the key glows, and suddenly the key started glowing. The magic took them into a jungle. The jungle was full of plants. It's wonderful, said Biff. Look at that one. It's 10 times bigger than the one I gave mom. Okay. The magic took them into a jungle, and the jungle was full of plants. And Biff looked at the plant, and she said that it is the same plant which I gave to mom, and it is 10 times bigger than I gave to her. They saw a monkey up a tree. It jumped up and down on the branch. What they saw a monkey where on the tree, and it jumped up and down on the branch. The monkey looks cross. Cross means angry. What the monkey looks cross. Why? Because said Kipper, I don't think it's like that. th- uh, this is the thinking of Kipper, because he thinks that the monkey don't like them. The It looks like you, said Chip tried to crack a joke that, and he said that looks like it is similar to you, look like you. The monkey was angry with the children. It shook the branch and then it began to throw things at them. We can't stay here, said Biff. Come on. The monkey was angry with the children, and what it started throwing the things to the children. So the Biff said that we can't stay here, let's move on. They ran through the jungle, but suddenly Chip stopped. What they are doing? They are running in the jungle, but they have to stop. Oh no, he said, look at this. There was a big snake on the way. We can't go this way, said Chip. Come on. What will happen? They saw a big snake and they have to stop. And then the Chip said that we cannot go from this way. They came to a river. There were uh, they came to a river. There were alligators asleep on the bank. Who are sleeping there? Alligators. Okay. Don't wake up them, said Kipper. They might get angry. They might look like you for dinner, said Biff. Okay. So Biff said Kipper said that don't wake up them, and they might be, maybe they get angry. So the Biff said that they might be like you for dinner, they eat you. Suddenly they fell into a big net. It pulled them up in the air. Oh help, called Anina, we are in a trap. So what will happen then? The children trapped into a net, and the net was placed by hunters or explorers. The children were hanging in the net. The net was a trap to catch animals. Okay, why they put net? The net was a trap to catch animals. Help! Help! Called the children. Let us down! Called Kipper. Okay. Now for today till here. Inshallah, we continue this story in the next class. Allah Hafiz.